Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today is the last stock episode. We've done fish, we've done chicken, and today we're going to do vegetable stock. It's also one of these basic things that when you make it yourself, it's 10 times better than when you buy it in the store, and it's easy to have in the freezer for when you need it. But before we have a look at the ingredients, if you haven't done so yet, please click the subscribe button and check the bell icon so that you get notifications when new episodes are online. And now let's have a look here. We have some carrots, 3 carrots, some celery sticks. We have some parsley, some thyme, some bay leaves, and some garlic cloves. And here we have, these are white onions. You can make it with normal onions, but the white ones give the stock less of a kind of a yellow color. And what I've done with those, I'll cut to it here, but basically cut them in half, and then in a smoking hot frying pan, we just kind of blackened the bottom of them. So you cut the onion in half, you put them in the smoking hot pan, and then you blacken them. And they come out looking like this. And this is basically all we need. And some water, obviously. Let's get started. Start with the celery sticks. As always, you don't have to worry too much about how fine or how careful you are when chopping these things up. Put everything in. You see I've put the onions in already. Our carrots. That's all the prep you need to do. Now, last but not least, our aromatics go in as well. And now all we need to do is put cold water on this. We need about 4 liters for this amount. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this pot goes on the stove. We'll bring it to a boil, turn it down, and we'll let it simmer for 20 minutes. And that's about it. That's how easy it is to do your own vegetable stock. But let's put this on. And I'll see you in 20 minutes. That's the alarm for the 20 minutes of simmering. Now, this is what we ended up with. You need to let it rest now for an hour to again kind of soak up all the flavor that's in the pot. So we'll leave it here for an hour and then we'll continue. But before we move to that part, if you enjoyed the video so far, don't forget, click the thumbs up button below. It really helps the algorithm find my channel. Thank you for that, and see you in an hour. Our stock has been standing for an hour. I put one of these pasta strainers on, and we have quite a fine sieve or strainer. We'll just pour it. There we have our stock. And as you can see, there's not much that got caught. They kind of stayed together quite well in the pot. Again, the obligatory tasting. Now there's no salt or any kind of spice in this, so it's going to be very mild. But it does taste like vegetables. It's like a nice vegetable tea almost. Now when you want to use this, depending on what you're using it for, you might have to reduce it a bit. You will for sure need to add some salt, maybe some pepper or whatever spices you might need. But it's a great basis to have, especially in the freezer. You just take it out and use it. It easily keeps 3 months in the freezer. So I'm going to portion this up now, put it in the freezer. I'll first let it cool completely and then put it in the freezer. But that's it for this time. It's the last stock. I thought it could be fun to do some basics. So we did 3 different stocks. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more basics, maybe some basic sauces, things like that. But the next couple of episodes will be more dishes again. For those of you who are not subscribers yet, please do me the favor, click the subscribe button and check the bell icon so that you get notifications when new episodes are live. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.